We help individuals and teams achieve peak performance. The DYNAMIX journey begins with self-awareness, and you'll learn about your strengths and how you can work much more effectively with others. DYNAMIX assessments and workshops will help you to get to know each other much better. This will help you to improve your communications, build stronger relationships, and more successful teams. We help you to improve engagement and morale so members feel respected and trusted, leading to open and honest conversations and increased collaboration.
DYNAMIX is based on Jungian principles, psychometric principles that help people to get to know themselves better, but also get to know their colleagues and their organizations better to really perform more effectively and communicate better.
You'll learn how to recognize, appreciate, and understand different communication styles so you can adapt more effectively to their preferences. Our 2 team performance assessments will help your team to leverage your strengths and develop action plans to build a much more successful team. Are you ready to take your team to the next level? Contact us today to discuss your team's needs and goals. You can also get certified to offer DYNAMIX programs within your organization, or you could join our team and become a DYNAMIX distributor.